Does this collagen actually dissolve in coffee, or am I going to be drinking gritty clumps every morning? That was my honest question before I started, because I've wasted money on collagen that floated on top like sand. So let me tell you what actually happened. I'm 54, and like a lot of women my age, I started paying attention to collagen because my body started reminding me it's not 35 anymore. Achy knees in the morning, nails a split the second they got a little long, and my hair just wasn't bouncing back. So I gave this one the real test. Not a 1 week thing, a genuine daily habit. Here's the part that actually made me pick this one over the dozen others. It has digestive enzymes built into the formula. That's the difference maker. You can take all the collagen in the world, but if your body isn't breaking it down and absorbing it, you're basically making expensive coffee. The enzymes are why this one earns the enhanced absorption name. It's not just collagen. It's collagen your body can actually use. I'm not going to read you the label. You can see the 18 amino acids and the grass-fed pasture-raised stuff yourself. I'll tell you what I noticed. The coffee test passed. It genuinely disappears into my morning coffee. No clumps, no skin on top, no aftertaste hijacking my dark roast. If you're unflavored skeptical like I was, this is the detail that'll sell you. Nails first. Within a few weeks, mine stopped peeling and actually got long enough that I had to file them down. First time in years. Knees were second. That morning stiffness going down the stairs softened up. Not gone, but noticeably easier. And hair was last. This is the slow one. Around the 2-month mark, I saw the baby hairs at my hairline filling in. One thing I'll be straight about, taste. People are split on it. Unflavored doesn't mean no flavor. In plain water, you might catch a hint of something, but in coffee, tea, or a smoothie, I've never noticed it. So my tip, don't drink it in water and judge it. Put it where it belongs. For me, I wanted stronger nails, calmer joints, and a routine I'd actually stick to. This earned its spot on my counter. The enzymes in it are the reason that it works better than the last 3 that I tried. And the fact that it vanishes into my coffee is the reason I haven't quit. Because let's face it, I drink coffee every day, and it's such an easy way to take it. The link's below if you want to try it. And let me know in the comments how long your nails took to grow back.